Hi Scorpio, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your weekly love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take a guideline from these readings. Okay. And if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I'm going to use this pattern, this spread. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your love life. I will take four cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and concentration, four cards for your feeling, attention, and concentration, and two cards for your mutual energies, mutual feelings. Okay, Scorpio, let's get started. What is the Scorpio person's feelings towards Scorpio? What is Scorpio person's feelings towards Scorpio? What is the Scorpio person's feelings towards Scorpio? And we are having here Page of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Devil. Ouch. So what are the Scorpio's feelings toward this person? So what are Scorpio's feelings toward this person? What are Scorpio's feelings toward this person? Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands, the Sun. So what are the mutual energies? Tower, Knight of Sword. Okay, these are your cards, Scorpio, and sign that could relate it to your person. It could be any Capricorn with this Devil card. It could be any Leo with the Sun card. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn with this Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Eight of Swords, Knight of Swords. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Eight of Wands, Knight of Wands, and Queen of Wands. Okay, Scorpio, let's get started with your person's feeling first. And this card just pop up in the very beginning. And I think your person think like that you are self-sufficient and you don't need anyone in your life. You are happy on your own. You don't need anyone's like support, anyone like affection and love. You are independent. You are totally self-sufficient. You don't need anyone. You are happy on your own, and with this pentacle, this person is interested in you. This person is really interested in you, and they want to explore you. They want to know you. They want to spend time with you. They want to solve your mystery. They want to know you, who you are, and why you are so happy on your own, why you are so independent, why you are so self-sufficient. They are so interested. A lot of questions in this person's mind, and they want to know you. Like they are totally obsessed over you. Like they are obsessed over your, like, why you are so like that, like you are so happy, you are so like you are so awesome. And this is this person's obsession. This person is totally obsessed over you. They just keep thinking about you, thinking and thinking, and they are so excited towards you. They are so like a child is interested in a new toy, like that kind of excitement, that kind of obsession this person have towards you. Like they are keep thinking about you. They are just totally obsessed by you, and they feel a strong pull towards you. And with this Eight of Swords, there is a lot of fears. There is a lot of obstacle in this person's way, and this person is tied up somewhere. And maybe these are people, maybe these are their fears, maybe these are their thoughts. They are stuck in their thoughts. And with this definitely Devil's card, this person is totally obsessed over you, and these obstacles, and these are their fears. And they see you like that. You You don't need anyone. You are independent on your own. So let's see what is your feelings. And there is a lot of fiery energy in your side. You are like passionate toward this person, on and off. Sometimes you feel so attracted toward this person, and sometimes you feel just okay, that's fine. And with this Queen of Wands, you are so attractive. You are beauty with brain. You are so attractive, like physically they really attract towards you, and you want to talk to this person. Or maybe you want to rapidly you want to communicate to this person. You want to talk about something to like you are offering this passion rapidly, like not delaying anything. You some kind of passion in you, some kind of feelings in you, and you want to express these feelings to this person really fast, and you uh, think this person is your happiness, and whatever is happening is gonna be in your favor with the sun card, because sun is a positive card and it's in your chart. No matter what is happening in your life, love life, and in your life, it's gonna be sought out in your favor. And you want to like offer your passion, or you want to talk about your feelings to this person, even they are hot and cold, and sometimes you are so uh, energetic and excited to and adventurous, and you really want to talk about your this excitement, this adventure with this person. And you are so this Queen of wands, you are so attractive. You know that this person is totally into you. You know that this person is staring you. This person you this person is sneaky and staring you, and you caught them staring at your physiques and all that, and you feel the spark. You feel that encouragement in this person's behavior, and the way this person is in this chart, the way this person is attractive towards you, the way this person is like obsessed and really interested in you. You can feel that this person is like looking at you in a very at your physiques in a very sneaky way, and they just want to keep staring you and analyzing you. And you are happy, and you think this person bring you some kind of happiness by their actions, the way they are obsessed, and the way they see you unapproachable, the way they are interested in you. And you really want to talk to this person about this, whatever is happening in this person's mind. You want to know what is in your mind, like this with this sun card. You gonna be start out what kind of what is in happening right now. And with this tower card, this person is shocked, stung by you. This person is totally in shock. The way you are, they find something about you, maybe whatever. They are so shocked by you give them some kind of shock to this person, some kind of treatment, and you are a little bit mad at this person. And maybe there is another possibility, this person is crazy about you. This person is you driving this person crazy, Scorpio. This is how I'm feeling with these two cards. You totally driving this person crazy. So let's see what else we have for you, Scorpio. What else for Scorpio? What else we have for Scorpio? We are having here Three of Pentacles, the Star, and as an outcome, the Empress. So Scorpio, with this Three of Pentacles, this person is, you are like their project, and they want to work on this project. They see you like that. The way they are interested in you, the way they are seeing you, they are totally want to work on you. The way this person is obsessed, they are like calculating things, They are doing all the mathematics, they are doing all the calculations, and they are making a whole you taking you achieving you, like they are, you are their mission, like totally. This they taking you like that, you are this person's mission. And yes, the way this person is obsessed, the way they see you, do you don't need anyone, they are interested in you, and they take you as their mission. Like, and with the star card, you are so divine, you are so real, you are like this star, you are a shining star for this person. And there is a distance, you are unapproachable, you are in this energy right now, Scorpio. You are totally unapproachable. This person is making a whole plan to chase you. And with this Empress, this is a beautiful outcome. Yes, you are so bright. You don't need to do anything in this situation. Everything is gonna sort out. Everything is in your favor, and you just, this is like a indication. This is like a advice for you from destiny and from your the whole universe. You just need to sit there and shine. Everything is, you are a magnet right now, and everything is walk towards you and come towards you. You are a magnet for everything, every positive thing. You are nurturing your environment, you are making your environment beautiful. You don't need to do anything in this situation, just let this person do the rest. That destiny do the rest for you. These are your cards. Let's see what advice messages I should have for you. So let's see what advice messages. Have faith, go with your gut, seek for truth, walk, walk on grass barefoot, cure your heart. These are few advice messages in the end for you. No need to fix, need to accept. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and your attention. God bless you. Bye.